Hey guys, welcome back to LG Queen Home Decor. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm so excited to share this ultimate bathroom organization with you all. If you need ideas, inspiration, and motivation to tackle your own bathroom, then this video is for you. I love taking you all along the process to show you how you can instantly transform any space. I'm so happy with how this bathroom organization turned out on my side of the bathroom, my husband's side, and guest bathroom. You will see the before and after, deep cleaning and decluttering to make it all more functional and practical for my family and guests. Make sure to give this video a like if you love home organization videos so I know to keep them coming for you guys. Before we continue with the bathroom organization, I wanted to share from being a wife, a parent, and also just going about my everyday life, getting the proper nutrition and necessary vitamins for my regular diet may not always happen. Even if I were to eat a specific diet, it still can be challenging to get all the necessary nutrition my body needs on a consistent basis. That's where Ritual has filled this gap for me. Were you ever skeptical in the past about needing a multivitamin, or did you always assume a healthy diet was enough? For me, I always did until I did further research. Ritual has developed their multivitamins as they offer a delayed release capsule design. This means the capsule was designed to dissolve later to help bypass the stomach and dissolve in the small intestine, making it an ideal place for absorption. This is Ritual's Essential for Women 18 Plus multivitamin. Many of the vitamins important to me in this capsule is the omega-3 for brain health and vitamin E for providing antioxidant support and fighting free radicals. I love that Ritual uses clean ingredients and they're transparent about everything that goes into the vitamin. That's why they're clear. Taking a multivitamin is like a nutrient backup plan. In the areas where food falls short, getting support from a quality multivitamin can help fill nutrient gaps no matter the dietary preferences, age, or current life stages. These vitamins are vegan-friendly, gluten-free, formulated without major allergens, and non-GMO. Make sure to check out my description box where I'll leave a direct link to shop this incredible multivitamin and more. Ritual is giving my viewers a special offer of 20% off your first month. All you have to do is enter the code LGQUEEN20 at checkout to take advantage of this special offer. Thank you to Ritual for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Now let me show you guys how I transform our bathroom with the ultimate organization. Here's a look at the before and here's the after. The end result is always so satisfying to see. I love the way the space turned out. I wanted to maximize this cabinet to fit all of the essentials that were too big to fit in the smaller drawers. I can now reach anything easily and I can see everything in the containers. If you're interested in any of these products and organizing containers, I'll have it all linked down in the description box. Let me know in the comments how you think this space turned out and what color scheme would you go with in your cabinets. My girl's bedroom makeover in my recent video inspired me to add blush color details in my cabinet. This is how my husband's side turned out. It now looks presentable, it's functional, organized, and he loved the way it turned out. He's very minimal, which I highly appreciate because I needed the extra space in here for my hair tools, so I added them on his side of the cabinet and it worked out great. Moving on to the guest bathroom, I had to make a change in this space because it was bothering me seeing things all over the cabinets and drawers. I want my guests to feel welcomed and loved, and this space needed a lot of attention. I started off by removing everything and getting rid of things I no longer needed to make room for necessary things in this space. Here's how the guest bathroom cabinet turned out. It's such a huge difference and I'm so happy that my guests can now access and see anything they need. This organization day was a huge success and I would love to hear what you all think in the comments of this bathroom transformation. I would also love to hear what videos you want to see next so I can start planning those for you guys. Remember to go check out Ritual and see the amazing vitamins they offer for you and your loved ones. Use my code LGQUEEN20 to receive 20% off your first month. The direct link is in my description box. This concludes today's video. Thank you all so much for watching and for being here. I'll talk to you all on my next one. Take care.